everyone, welcome to the online mathematics class. In the last class, we already discussed the second and third problem, exercise 3.3. In today's class, let us discuss the fourth problem. Look at the fourth problem. The performance of a student in the first term and the second term is given. Draw a double bar graph choosing the appropriate scale and the answer the following. They are given the first and the second term marks. Choosing the marks, we should according to the marks should draw the double bar graph. Subject, first you can see the subject. In the English, first term 67. In the second term, he scored the 70 marks. In the Hindi subject, he scored the 72 marks in the first term. As same that the second term, he scored the 65 marks. And in the subject of mathematics, he scored in the first term 88 marks. As same that the in the second term, he has scored the 95 marks. As same that in the science, he has scored in the first term 81 marks. In the second term, he has scored the 85 marks. As same as last subject is the social science. In the first term, he has scored the 73 marks. As same that in the second term, he has scored the 75 marks. According to the given data, you draw the bar graph. They are given the two. In the last problem, we will see only you saw the only one data they are given. Example, in the last second and third problems they give only one data. In fourth problem they give only two data. That's why you should draw the two bar graphs, or we call as the double bar graphs. First you can see subject first term English, he has scored the 67 marks. In English 67 marks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67. In the first term, he has scored the 67 marks. He has scored the 67 marks. He has scored the 67 marks. You should draw the bar graph. It is the first term, he has scored the 67 marks. 67 marks. In the second term, he has scored the 70 marks. Along with the 67 marks, you should draw the 70 marks bar graph. Marks will get the 60 to 70 will get the 70 marks. The first term he has scored the 67 marks. In the second term he has scored the 70 marks. English first term 67, second term 70 marks. Coming to the Hindi subject. In the first term Hindi he has scored the 72 marks. In the second term he has scored the 65 marks. Draw the, it is the marks. Is the marks. These are the subjects. These are the subjects. In the x-axis, we are given the subjects. In the y-axis, we are given the marks. As and that coming to the Hindi subject. In the first term, he has scored the 72 marks. First term, he has scored the 72 marks. 72 will get the 71. 72 will get the 72. We will get the 72. We will get the, in the Hindi subject he scored the first term 72 marks. In the second term he scored the 65 marks. 60 will get 65 will get the, between the 60 to 70 will get the 65 marks. 65 will get the 65. Will get the 65 marks. It is the Hindi subject. In the second term, he has scored the 65 marks. Coming to this subject mathematics, in the first term, he has scored the 88 marks. In the mathematics, 88 will get from the 80 and the 90. It is the middle one is the 85, 86, 87. 87, 88, 89, 90. What is the score? 88. We got the score 88. 88. We got the score 88. The 88. In the second term, he has scored the 95 marks. 95 will get from the 90 and the 100. It is the 95. We will get the 95 in between the 90 and the 100. 95. Second term, he has scored the 95 marks. 95 will get the 95. We will get the 95. We will get the 95 here between the 90 and the 100. As same that thing coming to the science subject. Science subject in the first term he has scored the 81. 81 will get in between the 80 and the 90. 81 will get the 81. 81. 81 will get the 81. Will get the 81 in between the 81 and the 90. Coming to the second term, 85. In the second term, he has scored the 85 marks. 85 will get in the between the 80 and the 90. Between the 80 and the 90, you will get the 85 marks. In between the 80 and the 90, you will get the 85 marks. Now the graphics of science is second term is completed. Coming to the last one, social science. He has scored the first term 73 marks. 73 will get the 71. You will get the 71, 72, 73. You will get this in between the 70 and the 80. You will get the first term he has scored the 73 marks. The first term he has scored the 73 marks. He has scored the 73 marks. How much he has scored? First term he has scored the 73 marks. In the second term he has scored the 75 marks. 75 will get in between the 70 and 80. 74, 75. Between the 70 and 80 you will get the 75. 75. This is the second term. This is the second term bar graph. It is the first bar graph, first term bar graph. The line indicates the second term bar graph. The empty bar graph indicates the first term bar graph. The problem was somewhat lengthy. It indicates the first term. It indicates the second term. The bar graph, which is empty line, it is called as the first term, indicates the first bar graph, and second, which contains the lines on the bar graph, it is the second term, indicates the second bar graph. Already we have drawn the bar graph according to the given data. Coming to the problem number first, in which subject has the child improved his performance the most? In the given subject, the child improved in the which subject the child improved his marks? Coming to the look at the first term in the English. Look at here. 70 minus 67. You will get the 3 marks. And coming to the look at once again. You can look at here. 70 minus 67 minus 70, 5 minus 3, and same that the 72 minus 65, here you will get the 7, and same that the 88 minus 95, you will get the here minus 7, and same that the social science, in the science 81 minus 85, you will get the minus 4, and same that in the social science we will get the 73 minus 75, we got the minus 2. We got the minus 2. In which subject has the child improved his performance the most? Coming to look at the English subject, first term he has scored the 67 marks, in the second term he got the 70 marks, and that means he improved the 3 marks. As same that the in the Hindi subject he has scored the 72 marks, in the second term he has scored the 65 marks. The marks is decreased. As same that in the mathematics he has scored the 88 marks, in the second term he has scored the 95 marks. In the difference you will get here 3 marks will get the increase, here you will get the minus 7 marks here decrease. Already minus 7 marks here decrease. The mathematics subject he increased the 7 marks. As same that in the social science he increased the 4 marks. 81 in the first term he has secured the 81 marks. The second term he has scored the 85 marks. He increased the 4 marks. In the as same that in the social science he increased the 2 marks. In the given data, the number which indicates the more marks, that is the 88 to 95. That is the mathematics. Or in the math subject. In the math subject, the child improved his performance. Otherwise, you can look at the graph also. Here the mathematics. First he has scored the 88 marks, then he scored the 95 marks. Compared to other subject, in the mathematics subject, he increased the more marks. In the mathematics subject, he increased the more marks. Coming to the second one, in which subject is the improvement is the least? In the which subject is the improvement is least? Look at here. English, he has scored the increases in 3 marks. In Hindi, he got the first term he got the 72 marks, then he scored the 65 marks. He reduces to 7 marks in the second term. He decreased the marks coming to the 7 marks. In the first term he has scored the 72 marks. The second term he has scored the less marks compared to the first one. He has scored the 65 marks. Come mathematics, he has scored the 88 marks. The second time he has scored the 95 marks. Here the increases of the marks compared to the Hindi. And in the science subject, he has first time he has scored the 81 marks, and the second time he has scored the 85 marks. As same that the social science, in the first term he has scored the 73 marks, and as same that in the second term he has scored the 71 marks. In the Hindi subject, first term he has scored the 72 marks. The second term he has scored the 65 marks. That decreases of the 7 marks. That decreases of the 7 marks. That is the question number 2. Hindi subject. He has improvement is least. His improvement is least. In Hindi subject, he reduces from 72 to the 65 marks. That means the 7 marks he decreases in the second term. That's why the Hindi subject, he has improvement is very least. Coming to the last one, has the performance gone down in any subject? Has the performance gone any down in the any subject, look at the bar graph or look at the given data. In subject in the first term, what is the question? Has the performance gone down in any subject? Look at the bar graph. In the subject English, he has scored the first term 67 marks. As same that in the second term, he has scored the 70 marks and improvement of the 3 marks. As same that in the Hindi, he has scored the 72 marks. In the second term, he has scored the 65 marks. Here decreases of the 5 marks in the 7 marks. As same that in the mathematics, he has scored the 88 marks. And coming to the second term, he has scored the 95 marks. Increases of the 7 marks. As same that in the science, he has scored the, in the first term 81 marks. As same that in the second term, he has scored the 85 marks. Increase of the 4 marks. As same that in the social science, he has scored the 73 marks. In the second term, he has scored the 74 marks. In the Hindi, he has scored the 7 marks less compared to in the first term and the second term. That was the Hindi subject. Hindi subject performance gone down in this subject. In this subject. Down in this subject. Down in this subject. Already we solved the 3 sub questions, and we will continue the 5th round. We will continue the 5th problem.